Hi, today I'm preparing taco pasta in an Instant Pot. This recipe is from foodieschmoodieblog.com. I already have the ground beef browning. This recipe is easy because it has few ingredients. All we're adding is a packet of taco seasoning, 8-ounce tomato sauce, 2.5 cups of beef broth, 12 ounces of pasta, and 1.5 cups of cheese. Now that the beef is browned, I'm adding the taco seasoning, tomato sauce, broth, and pasta. In that order. Next, I'm going to cover it and seal it and set it to cook for 5 minutes. When the 5 minutes are up, we have to carefully release the pressure by opening the valve. I'm removing the cover and giving it a quick stir. Now I'm adding the cheese. And just popping the cover back on for a minute to help the cheese melt. Okay, so the cheese should be all melty right now. Let's take a look. Looks good to me.